Hawaii. But we're actually heading out on our first camping trip of the season. We're so excited. We're doing 3-4 nights. We're going to Sasquatch Provincial Park. And I've never been there before, but you have.
I was there 20 years ago.
And he's been talking about it, saying he wants to go back, so I'm ready. And it's about halfway between us and Vancouver, I guess, so it's the furthest west I've ever been in BC, so I'm excited about that. It's about a 4-hour drive. Well, we're doing 3 hours today, and we're camping at Manning Provincial Park one night, and then we're heading to Sasquatch tomorrow for 3 nights. So we have so many cool things planned. So we made it to Manning Park. It's so freaking pretty and it smells like pine. And we're heading to our campground right now. It's like 2 minutes away. And it's been raining on and off on this ride, which sucks. Obviously, but I see blue sky. We're almost there. Blue sky. Yeah. So Manning Park is super pretty. It's about 6 p.m. right now, and thank heavens it stopped raining. It's so nice and relaxing. Our campsite isn't the best. It's kind of like next to the road and not very private, but it's fine. We just took a nice little walk. And it's absolutely gorgeous here. We're gonna go have some dinner and a campfire. So excited. Look at that van. Love that van. It's orange. Look at that root. Look at that root. So we just set up good old Big Agnes, and this is a very familiar feeling, but we got some different things. For instance, we have our little inflatable sleeping pads now that we didn't bring to Hawaii because they took up too much space in the backpacks, so that's why we had our flat, sad sleeping pads in Hawaii, and these are going to feel like luxury compared to those. And we have these nice sleeping bags. We didn't really need them in Hawaii because it was supposed to be warm, but anyway, we've got our bed pillows from home, a couple of couch pillows. Like, we are going to be comfy and cozy compared to Hawaii. It's so nice car camping. Car camping feels like luxury compared to backpacking. So it's super cozy in here. And it did start raining again, but it stopped. So I think Clark's gonna try to build a fire. Is the fire going already?
Yeah.
Yay! Oh man. Yay! Nice. There she is. Let's go check out this Rager. Nice. I'm ready for hot dogs. to roast veggie dogs on. Am I right?
All I can think about is how much everything smells.
Like attracting bears.
Yeah.
Like they're just sitting in the woods right now smelling this, just waiting.
Every container open.
Self up.
Yeah, we don't want any droppings anywhere. God. The worst thing is washing dishes with cold water when it's cold outside. Time for bed.
Hmm?
I said time for bed.
Yeah, it is.
Love you.
It's past 9:30 and it's still light out.
I know. Good morning, good morning. We slept amazing. It was so quiet, so comfortable, so cozy and fresh air, and got a little cold, but not too cold. And this park is so nice. It's just such a treat to be back in a BC park compared to the parks that we stayed at in Hawaii. They were so bad. So like, I'm just walking down here to the sink to do some dishes and noticing how clean and nice the trails are, and how clean and nice the sink is for dishes. And then they've got cute little bathrooms that are actually nice and clean and private and not pit toilets and not smelly and dirty, and they're not even bad. Like, this is fine. And there's a fucking mirror. Why don't places have mirrors? Mirrors. Soap. Clean sink. Holy shit. Anyway, someone wrote, I love shiting, but hey, what are you gonna do? All right, so now we're packing up the car, getting ready to go to a really cool spot. There's one spot we want to check out before we head out to Sasquatch, and it looks amazing. Yay, and the weather is so nice. Not a cloud in the sky. Well, one cloud. One little cloud. Yeah, I know, I let all the mosquitoes in, sorry. But I just want to show a typical BC Parks campground. Look, designated, nice, clean campsites, not just random cardboard taped to trees with numbers on them that you can't read. Every campground has flat spot, everyone. Clean, sturdy picnic table, fire pit. This is what a campsite is supposed to look like. Hawaii. Anyway, let's pack up and go. So we're hiking down this short little trail that's going to Alexandra Bridge. It's a big suspension bridge over Fraser Canyon. Canyon, not cannon. And there's a scary looking gondola type thing that we might do.
We should do.
Yeah, we'll see. We're gonna check out this bridge first. And it's a beautiful day and it's very foresty here.
It's a perfect day.
Foresty.
Perfect.
It is. This is my nightmare. Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Help me. Oh shit, just kidding. Yikes. Wow, this is amazing. It's so pretty. Terrifying, but pretty. And this is what we're about to do. The Hell's Gate air tram. It goes above Fraser Valley. It looks terrifying. You ready?
Over 1,000 feet high. You go down to water level.
Really?
Yeah, that's what it said.
Sounds a little rickety if you ask me. Oh, that was really cool. It wasn't even scary. It was super pretty. I loved it. Now we're going to explore this area. There's another suspension bridge here and some shops and cafes. Awesome. cute. There's a lot of museum type things to look at here, and gift shops, and a little ice cream shop. It's super cute. I'm really glad we stopped and did this. Our campsite is super cute. It's right by the lake here, as you can see. And it's very busy around here. The campground last night was pretty quiet, but here is a lot of people, but it's still quiet. And we're making delicious cheeseburgers for dinner. Vegan cheeseburgers, of course, obviously, duh. Yeah, see, we got pickles, tomatoes, and onion, and lettuce. And we're looking good. I'm ready. Oh, look at this thing. We got the burger patty and some cheddar, some ketchup, some mustard, some avocado, red onion, tomato, dill pickle chips, and some lettuce too, of course. Oh my god. This is gonna be the best burger I've ever had in my life. Look at that. Vegans know how to make burgers, bitches. A little pickle, some veggie chips to go with it on the side. Damn. Damn. This thing is humongous. Oh my god. Damn, this is some lush plant life. Almost feels like we're back in Hawaii. The size of these leaves. A lot of geese here. Canadians are really afraid of geese. It's really funny and charming. But I'm American, so I'm gonna go say hi. He's so cute and innocent. How could anyone be afraid of that? Tea? Blueberry pie. God, blueberry pie. That. Goodbye, L28. Some lady walking by said, "You have the best spot in the campground." And we're like, "Oh, thank you." It was a nice view. It's a little close to other campsites, but other than that, it was a really nice spot. It was pretty. The lake was pretty. And it's like 10 a.m. now, and we are headed down and out to nearby Harrison Hot Springs. The town looked really cute. There might be some shops and cafes or something fun to check out. And Sasquatch Museum.
And then new campground.
And then, yes, in true Layla fashion, I didn't book us for 3 nights in a row at the same campsite. I had to pick 3 different ones because I like change of scenery. And it's easy to pack up and unpack. We're used to it. Nothing. No big deal. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Sorry. Oh, this is it. Well, that's all the evidence you need right there. What?
Watch.
Is that the famous video? There it is. There he is. That's the one. Peaceful vegetarians. Large flat teeth indicate a diet of plants. Sasquatch is vegan as fuck. There's super cute merchandise here. Love it. Walking right here. Look how big his stride is. So we just checked out the little town of Harrison Hot Springs, and it was super cute and little, not too much to see. We went to a little cafe and got a granola bar and a coffee and saw some Sasquatch stuff at the museum. And now we are checking out Bridal Falls. It's like a 1 kilometer little hike. And I'm so excited because, as you know, we didn't see any waterfalls in Hawaii. So I am going through waterfall withdrawal. I'm ready to see something impressive. Better be impressive. Just waiting for Clark to lock the door in the car. There he is. You ready? Love you.
Love you.
Lots of mosquitoes. 7 out of 10. Let's go. Making sandwiches on the hood of the car is what we do. Oh yeah. We're having lunch at the car and then we're gonna go do the spirit trail. Whatever that is. We're gonna get spiritual. Aww. Masks on the trees. Because every tree has a spirit. I love it. Let's go. There he is. Hello. Oh look, picnic tables after we just ate on the hood of our car. Hey buddy. So many ferns. Okay, so we just arrived at our next campsite and it's okay. It's a little busy, just like yesterday, but it'll do. And now we're having a snack. I may have overestimated how much hummus we would need on this trip. I think it weighs
Jesus.
a lot. Yay. $69. It's not a bad little spot. Just very close to other people. We just had a nice little nap in the tent. Now we're gonna go walk around and check everything out. There's a big lake here. Let's party. He's ready to party. Look at this little path. Little path right near our campsite. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. So pretty. Oh my god. This is nice. Hey, little buddy. Oh, there he goes. Hi. Sorry I bothered you. We've got veggie tofu kebabs on the fire. Fire is being finicky. We're leaving these on for a long time, which is fine. We're not starving, but they look good. And they've probably been on like 30 minutes. Almost ready. Tofu, mushrooms, zucchini, onions, and red pepper with teriyaki sauce. So good. Ugh, kids. Look at that. Vegan breakfast. So the Harrison Corner Cafe was super cute. They had a vegan breakfast with toast and home fries and scrambled tofu and whatnot and sausage. It was good, and coffee, and it was really cute. But we just wanted a place to get a Wi-Fi signal and stuff and hang out for a bit. I know we bring our own breakfast when we camp, but sometimes we go out and buy more breakfast. That's how we do. All right, let's go. So we just arrived at the last campsite of the trip, and it's very foresty and lush and green and quiet. There's nobody around so far, which is really nice. And we had breakfast and went and checked out the town of Chilliwack, which was very busy and hectic and not cute and charming like I thought it was. So we left there, and now we're here, and we're gonna rest a bit, and then we're gonna walk around and check out the campground. Good night. Oh, look how hot you look. Oh my god, you look so cute. Good night. Last campground of the trip. We like this one a lot. Okay, get a good angle. And try again. You're never in the picture. Sorry. Get in it. Oh, look how cute you look. Last campground is the best one, I think. Nice and quiet. Hardly anyone around. Lots of lush trees and peaceful green things.
Our own private cliff.
We do have our own private cliff. It's really cool. I like this one. It's very quiet. packing up and leaving the best campsite we had all week. So good, so quiet. You just hear birds and trees and nature, and no children screaming or guys playing soccer or people yelling or children. It's great. It's so perfect. Love it. I hate to leave. So we pulled off on the highway to check out Flood Falls, and when we got started on the trail we weren't very optimistic because the river looks really dry and empty, but we kept going and it's actually pretty cool. It's not a flood of water, but it's very high and very pretty, and I'm glad we stopped. I like it. So we drove past this quail on the way, the beginning of our trip, and I was upset because Clark didn't want to stop and see him. So we definitely stopped now to see him. And his name is Amos, and he's amazing. Home at last. Exhausted but happy. It was such a good trip. Amazing. I cannot wait to go camping again. But we're gonna go inside and crash. We have been busy. We have been secretly up to something that you guys don't know about. And we may have brought something home with us. You'll have to watch the next video to find out what it is.